Welcome to this video. Namaskar, friends. Today, we delve into the world of mutual funds, spotlighting the top 5 that have excelled in delivering remarkable returns over the past 5 years. Analyzing these funds involves understanding their historical performance, risk profiles, and consistency in returns, ensuring that you're well-informed before making investment decisions. First on our list is the Parag FlexiCap Fund. This fund stands out for its impressive 5-year CAGR of approximately 18-20%. It showcases a balanced investment approach, combining U.S. stocks like Alphabet and Meta with Indian opportunities. The fund is characterized by its low volatility and high consistency, making it an ideal choice for long-term investors seeking stability while gaining global exposure. It skillfully navigates the markets, ensuring that investors enjoy a peace of mind. Next, we have the Axis Blue Chip Fund, a well-regarded option in the large cap category with a 5-year CAGR of about 12-14%. This fund focuses on established companies, including market leaders such as Infosys and HDFC Bank, making it a solid pick for conservative investors. With its strong risk management strategies, this fund aims to provide stability and growth, perfect for those who prefer a cautious approach in their investment journey. The SBI Contra Fund is next on our list, boasting an impressive 5-year CAGR of around 33-36%. This fund adopts a more aggressive strategy by investing in undervalued stocks bearing a very high-risk profile. It's particularly suited for investors looking for high returns over the long term, though it comes with an inherent level of risk that must be carefully considered. Another noteworthy mention is the SBI Small Cap Fund, which has achieved a 5-year CAGR of approximately 24-26%. This fund emphasizes investing in small companies with significant growth potential. It holds a very high-risk rating, making it appropriate for investors with a high-risk appetite, aiming for substantial returns in the long run. Finally, the Mirae Asset Emerging Blue Chip Fund combines large and mid-cap exposure with a stable 5-year CAGR of around 18-20%. This fund presents an excellent balance between growth and stability, appealing to balanced growth seekers. As we conclude, remember these top 5 mutual funds have shown commendable performance over the years, but past results don't guarantee future success. Consulting a financial advisor is crucial for making informed investment choices. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also, like, share, and comment. See you in the next video. Thank you for supporting.